What's more important to the American public and to voters, that he makes these decisions on his own, as he has, as Gretchen points out, by executive order, or that he's able to let Congress do its job by uniting them on some of the issues that are so important right now?
Well, you're right, Jamie. He has tried. He's tried multiple times. And I think that what's most important to the American people, they don't care about the president holding hands and singing Kumbaya with a Congress that has refused to act to create jobs. And they are looking to this president to take action, and that's exactly what he did by appointing Richard Cordray to make sure that consumers have a watchdog to protect us from predatory lenders, from greedy Wall Street manipulation that caused the recession to begin with. So it's not necessarily pushy, I would say. It's being effective. He has decided that he's no longer going to attempt to compromise with a group of folks who I look at as bullies on a playground who I think in a sense some of those Republican congressmen decided that actually they needed to destroy the economy to help defeat President Obama, and that's just irresponsible, and the president's not going to allow that to happen.
That's a pretty bold accusation there. I'll ask you in a minute about what you're thinking that backs that up, but Gretchen, let me just ask you